Hello guys, I'm quite sure that your mom prepares the snacks for you, doesn't she? So today I will show you how to prepare a delicious snack for school or for your parents when they come home tired after work, to make them happy. So let's go to make a sandwich, shall we? Jdeme udělat sandwich, můžeme? So what do we need for preparation of the best sandwich ever? Let's have a look. For the best sandwich ever, we need some butter, mayonnaise, 2 slices of white bread, ham, cheese, a tomato, chives, an onion, garlic, and some lettuce. Let's check the vocabulary. I've got Olga today to help me with the words. Do you know what's this?
Butter.
It's butter. Do you know what's this?
No, I don't.
You don't. How about you? It's mayonnaise. Well, can you tell me what is this? How about you?
Yes, it's garlic.
Yes, it's garlic. Actually, this is a clove of garlic. Stroužek česneku. Do you know what's this?
It's lettuce.
Do you know what is this?
An onion.
It's an onion. Do you know what is this?
It's ham.
It was ham. What's this?
It's cheese.
Yeah, cheese. Guys, can you tell me what's this? How about you?
It's grass.
No, it's not. This is chives. Pažitka. How about this? Do you know what this is?
It's bread.
It's bread. And this is a slice of white bread. First of all, the special mayo. So, chop the onion, garlic, and chives. But watch your fingers, guys. And now, just mix it all together. Wash the lettuce and slice the tomato. Now spread both the slices of bread with butter and our special mayo. Now, put some lettuce and slices of tomatoes on it. Here you go. Now, add some cheese and ham. Now close the sandwich with the second slice of bread. Our sandwich is now ready, and because this week is full of frogs, you can also prepare it this way. Enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you want, you can send us the picture of your sandwiches on our Facebook page, or just let us know in commentary section below what do you like for your snack. See ya!